Opening a bank account. Hello, I'd like to open a bank account. Hello, I'd like to open a bank account.
Sure. Do you want a savings or checking account? Sure. Do you want a savings or checking account?
A checking account, please. A checking account, please.
Do you have your ID and proof of address? Do you have your ID and proof of address?
Yes, here they are. Yes, here they are.
Great. We'll also need your phone number and email. Great. We'll also need your phone number and email.
No problem, I can write them down. No problem, I can write them down.
It will take about 15 minutes to finish everything. It will take about 15 minutes to finish everything.
Making a deposit or withdrawal. Hi, I want to withdraw some cash. Hi, I want to withdraw some cash.
How much would you like to withdraw? How much would you like to withdraw?
200 euros, please. 200 euros, please.
Do you have your card or account number? Do you have your card or account number?
Yes, here's my card. Yes, here's my card.
Please enter your PIN on the machine. Please enter your PIN on the machine.
Done? Done?
Here's your cash and receipt. Here's your cash and receipt.
Asking about bank fees. Excuse me, are there any monthly fees for this account? Excuse me, are there any monthly fees for this account?
No monthly fee if you deposit regularly. No monthly fee if you deposit regularly.
What about ATM fees? What about ATM fees?
Withdrawals from our ATMs are free. Withdrawals from our ATMs are free.
Okay, that sounds good. Okay, that sounds good.
Other bank ATMs may charge a small fee. Other bank ATMs may charge a small fee.
Got it. And is online banking included? Got it. And is online banking included?
Yes, you can use the app for free. Yes, you can use the app for free.
Transferring money. I need to transfer money to another account. I need to transfer money to another account.
Is it a local or international transfer? Is it a local or international transfer?
It's local. It's local.
Please fill out this form and include the account number. Please fill out this form and include the account number.
Okay, I'll do that now. Okay, I'll do that now.
Don't forget to add the transfer amount and reason. Don't forget to add the transfer amount and reason.
Sure, when will the money arrive? Sure, when will the money arrive?
Usually on the same day. Usually on the same day.
Choose the sentence with correct word order. A. Do you your ID have? B. You have your ID? C. Do you have your ID? D. Have do you your ID? Which sentence uses the verb withdraw correctly? A. I need withdraw money. B. I want to withdraw some cash. C. I withdraws money now. D. Withdraw, I want cash. What's the correct polite question about bank fees? A. You charge money monthly? B. Are there any monthly fees? C. Is money for month? D. How much for bank? Which sentence uses the present simple tense correctly? A. He transferred money yesterday. B. She is transferring now. C. He transfers money every Friday. D. He transfer now.